Hello everyone. Today we shall understand how to copy the measures from one report, one PBX file to the other PBX file. Now let us suppose this is our report. We have some measures here. You can see all these, certain measures. Suppose if you have only limited number of measures, you can try to copy them into other, could say Power BI report easily with the help of DAX query view. What we can do is we can try to click on this particular DAX query view. You just click on this. Now you can try to paste your queries, DAX queries here in your report. Now, initially, if you see, you will not be able to see any kind of queries. Let us take a blank query. Now, here, once you take this particular DAX query view, you can try to click on this measure table, click on this particular three dots, and you can just see this particular, quick queries. You can try to either get this particular define new measure, define all measures in this table, define all measures in this model. So what I'll do is I'll click on this, define all the measures in this model. In this whole model, I have only this certain number of measures. I hope it is understandable. So what I'll do is I'll just try to copy these measures. So you need not copy this particular evaluate part. Only copy that define part which you see on the top. Okay, only this part where you can try to take all the defined measures which you have created. You just copy those measures. Now go to the Power BI file where you didn't have that particular measures. Now this is a report which I have created, but in this, I want to copy the same measures, which is the related, measures of the same table. Now what I can do is I need a table in order to store the measures. So in order to store the measures, I'm going to create a table by selecting this particular enter data. You can click on this enter data. I'm going to create this particular table called as measure table. Okay, or you could say measures table. You can just click on load. So if you observe here also we had that particular table name as measures table. It is up to you the kind of table that you want to mention. You can try to create the measures table, an empty table. Here also you have that particular measure table, right? Now it is good practice to just keep the name exactly same measure table I have created. Now if you go to this particular DAX query view, you can just click on this particular DAX query view. Okay, I'm just taking a new query. I'm just pasting all these measures. Now, as soon as you paste all those measures, you can see this update model, add new measure, like update model, add new measure, all these things you can see. What you need to do is you just need to click on this and just click on update model. As soon as you do that, you can see on the right side, the measures will be updated to the measure table here. Now, similarly, I'm going to click on this, all the measures, simply update my model, and sometimes there is a bug which is already which happens. You can just ignore that, and if at all there is already a measure which is existing, you can just change that or replace it. It is up to your convenience. You can try to change those things. Okay, and for example it is already present, you can just click on this particular other measure which you can try to add. You can try to click on other measure. Okay, so like this you can add all those, update all those measures one after the other. Relevant measures it will be added at the end, because since it has few similar names, it is going to get added at the end, or you can try to add all those measures again later. So like this you can try to add all those measures, update your model one after the other. I have removed this particular other parameter. That is the reason why few measures are not able to being update. But again you can try to understand all the other things are updated by default. If you want to make some changes, you can do that. I have removed the parameter, so I won't be able to update few things. Okay, and few things are like you can see almost all the values are updated, and you can see this except one measure. I believe all the measures are updated. Okay, I believe it is also updated. Now you can understand from other report, we are able to create an empty measure table, and we are able to use leverage this particular DAX query view, and we have just copied all these measures by selecting that quick queries in the other table and pasted here, and I just clicked on the update model every time. If at all you have only few number of measures, this particular method will be helpful. Only in few minutes, in few clicks, you'll be able to copy the measures from one report to other report. But make sure that the table name is appropriate. Otherwise, the due to the name issue, you will not be able to create that particular report, or you could say that particular measures. Okay, I hope it is understandable. Now let us see one more method how to copy the measures using our tabular editor. So in order to understand how to copy the measures using tabular editor, you can search for tabular editor. The version 3 is commercial platform. You can search for tabular editor 2. Either you can try to use GitHub and download it and install it. Otherwise, you can use this sqlba.com tabular editor. You can open this particular website. This is your sqlba.com tabular editor. You can open that. Just enter your email and you can just simply download and install it easily. You'll be receiving mail and application. You'll be able to see that and just run as administrator. It is a straightforward installation. You will not face any installation issues. Just download the respective edition, or you could say this is the version as per published on March 2nd, 2026. Now we shall understand how to use our tabular editor to copy the measures from one report to other report. Now once you install your tabular editor, you can see this in the external tools. You have this particular tabular editor appearing. And similarly, you can see this is a report where we have quite few number of measures in our measure table. I called it as metrics in my report. Now these are quite few measures, and updating these many measures and by just clicking on update model, it will become challenging. Now make sure that the other report has the same table name. Now what I'm going to do is the other report I'll show you. Here I don't have that particular metrics table. So where I want to create our measures, which is our metrics table, I'll go to home tab, or else you can see on the top, you can click on this particular enter data. You can click on enter data. So you can call this particular table as metrics because it is the same name which I have used in the other report. Once you just name the same table name, you just click on load. You can give any name also here. You need not use the same name. This is a report where I have the existing measures. And similarly, I have this particular, you could say, Power BI file without any measures here. If I open that particular metrics, you can see except this empty column, I don't have any particular metrics here. Even if you click on this metrics table, you see this, we don't have any columns. It is an empty table. Now what I can do is I will go to the report where where I have all the metrics, all the respective measures created. You can click on tabular editor over there. So this is the tabular editor. Once you click on that, you will be able to open that tabular editor version 2.28. You can, if you have even version 3, it would be good. And if at all you don't have, it is an open source. You can try to use it. If you click on tables, if you click on metrics, you can click on this particular table, you can click on this particular metrics. You can see all the various measures in this particular way from top to bottom. Now what I'll do is I'll select this particular total orders, press shift in your keyboard, press down arrow, and you can try to select all the measures like this. Once you select all these measures like this, in your by using your keyboard shift down arrow, there are quite few number of measures if you could observe. Like this, we have lot of measures which I have selected. All you need to do is press Ctrl C. Press Ctrl C. Now let us get back to this particular report where I don't have the measures, and you can see this, there are no measures over here. What I'll do is I'll go to external tools, click on this particular tabular editor here. So this is a tabular editor, where I have report without any metrics. If you open the metrics, you can see there are no metrics over here. I can select the particular metrics table and press Ctrl V. Now you see, as soon as you select metrics table, press Ctrl V, which is pasting the values, all the measures has been copied. Once you try to, you can observe still here in the metrics table, I don't have any measures being created. Now once you try to save this particular tabular editor, as soon as you save it and just try to close this particular Power BI editor, or you could say tabular editor in Power BI, now you can see all your measures are created in this particular table, or you could say in this a Power BI report where there were earlier no measures being created. Now, I hope it is understandable how we are able to simply copy the measures using Tabular editor and paste the measures using Tabular editor of other PBI file. This is how simple it is. You can just click on this particular Tabular editor where you don't have the measures, open the tables, make sure that you select the appropriate table and just paste it by pressing Ctrl V, and make sure that you save this particular tabular editor. And then once you close it, if at all it doesn't appear, what you need to do is go to Home tab, make sure that you select this particular refresh button and refresh the data. So then automatically your all the measures will be updated. I hope this is helpful and understandable. This is all for now. Thank you everyone.